Dear students, I am Dr. Vishal, Assistant Professor, Department of Distance Education. So, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the Department of Distance Education. In this video, I am going to discuss you about your paper Database Management System. So, what is database? Why we need to study database? We can say database is the organized collection of records, and you all know record is information related to a particular entity. For example, as you are a student of university, you are doing BBA here, so you are part of university's database. If I want to check your information, I can easily check the database where I can find your record, which include your roll number, father name, mother name, address, email ID, mobile number, and so on. Different kind of information is stored in the form of record. So database is the organized collection of record, and database management system is a software which is used to create the database. We have different softwares available in the market used to create the database. In this paper you will also study about the benefits and limitations of the database, various advantages and disadvantages. Then you will study about the traditional file processing system, how DBMS is different from traditional file processing system. As we all know, traditional file processing system is the oldest type of database management system, because database is not a new term, it's a very old concept. So traditional file processing system is outdated nowadays, and we are using these database management system which are far better than the traditional file processing system. Then you will study about the ER model, which is a concept used for designing of the database. Suppose you are planning to design a database, you are planning to store your data, you are planning to make proper design of the database, so you can use ER model, which is a very efficient method of designing the database. Then we will study the normalization, which is used to efficiently store the data in the database so it can be accessed very easily. We have different normal forms. In the cases of normalization, we have first normal form, second normal form, third, fourth and fifth normal forms are there. All these normal forms are used to make your data better, so it can be stored properly and it can be used efficiently in a proper manner. After that, we will study about the security of the database. We need to secure our database so it cannot be used by some outsider and cannot be easily misused. So your data need to be secure, because all the important information of the user are stored in the database. And we have various algorithms, we have different ways to secure our data. So we will study all these things in detail. After security, we will study about the concurrent access of the data, which comes under topic concurrency control. Concurrent access means the parallel access of the data by the user, as generally data is stored in the form of database on some server, and it can be parallelly used by so many users at the same time. So we can follow some protocols, we can follow some methods to efficiently store our data so it can be accessed concurrently. We will study about all these things in this paper. After that, the security concurrency control, will study about the recovery of the data. So even though follow so many proper methods, it may be possible that our data may get corrupt, or some problem may occur in the data. So we have various recovery methods. We need to follow these recovery methods to recover our data in case of failure, and we will study all these things in this paper. So this is related to your data contents of the database management system paper. Now the I would like to discuss about the weightage of the paper. Your paper total consists of 100 marks, which includes 60 marks of the written examination conducted by the university and 40 marks internal assessment test conducted by the department. And last questions ki how to prepare this paper, from where we will study about this database management system. So there are plenty of books related to this database management system paper. My recommendation is that you can follow database management system by Navathe or database management system by Korth.